2B/2B third floor condo with garage. Unit is bright and spacious with split floor plan and newer flooring throughout. And #XD and #SAW, the kitchen has updated cabinets and appliances. The ensuite has a large walk-in closet. Street. Croix has a large clubhouse with pool, spa and fitness. And #XD and #SAW, centrally located in Naples close to I-75, shopping and amp, dining. Just 5 miles to the beach and amp, Mercato, walking distance to seat to table. And #XD and #SAW, must have credit score over 650, sorry no pets per HOA.